Top 5 Best Welding Helmet in 2020. Number 5. Jackson Safety BH3. Jackson offers a long 5-year warranty to boost their confidence in the product. It's power only by solar cell, so there's no need to buy batteries. I usually prefer to have the option of batteries, but it's up to your personal choice. There are 3 comfort adjustments available. There's a knob on the back that's easy to adjust when wearing gloves, a strap adjustment to raise and lower the hood, and suspension to change the distance between your eyes and the lens, which is useful if you wear glasses. There's no grinding mode and there are only 2 sensors, which is a shame. However, it's still a good helmet that's lightweight and the lens is 1111 rated with excellent clarity. Coming in number 4. Miller Digital Elite. Miller always produce reliable products, and this is no different. It's lightweight, which makes it great if you're welding long hours and you can easily adjust the headgear for comfort. There are 4 different modes: weld, cut, grind and X mode. X mode stops sunlight darkening the lens and low amperage lens opening. There's a useful digital display on the inside that's easy to use. The lens uses clear light technology to help optimize clarity and color contrast. Coming in number 3. Esab Sentinel A50. This futuristic-looking helmet has a large viewing area with great visibility and a bluish-dark color. You can see the external grind mode button on the top, which is useful for changing between processes. There's also unique touch-screen display on the inside to change between different shades, sensitivity, delay and save settings for different processes. I do like this feature, but it might be tricky to operate with big hands and gloves. It's comfortable to wear with an adjustable 5-point headgear to help you fit it to your head shape, and you can easily replace the lens on the front in just a few seconds. Coming in number 2. 3M Speedglass Welding Helmet 9100. There's no doubt this is one of the best welding helmets on the market. It's comfortable, clear, stylish and has a large viewing area. The side windows in this helmet are probably the best feature. It will give you amazing visibility of your surroundings, which can make welding much more enjoyable. It's been designed for comfort, too. It's pretty lightweight and has 2 adjustable head straps to keep it secure, along with a padded headband and a swivel-mounted smooth ratchet system. The helmet fits head-sized of 50 to 64 centimeters, and the carefully thought-out design helps to ensure it's comfortable for long periods of time. The Speedglass 9100XX is a good choice for stick, MIG and TIG, and also has exhaust vents to help reduce heat and steaming up. Overall, this is a great helmet that offers excellent comfort and clarity. Coming in number 1. Lincoln Electric 3350 series. This doesn't have the curvature and wide field of view of the Esab or 3M Speedglass, but makes up for this with a taller viewing area that gives it a huge overall window size that's better for seeing directly what's in front of you. It ticks all the quality boxes, with a super fast lens reaction time, 4 arc sensors and a perfect optical classification. The clarity through this helmet really is exceptional, and it's comfy and lightweight too. Great work, Lincoln.